Hey, Mike, you take video. I'm gonna go run.
Yeah, go run.
I'm just gonna go down there and get it done. It's already going. Wait, now you gotta get me out in the minute. You're on video cooking.
Yeah. Right today. I know, for real.
Walk up very carefully. Look where you're walking. Very clear right now. Don't steep in that hole. They won't look very deep, so you'll fall in them.
We're walking up there? Sure. Do we take our shoes off or what? You gonna take your shoes
Nah,
off?
those rocks gonna hurt.
I'm gonna
We can dry our shoes. Just walking them.
Get an idea what it looks like.
Oh yeah, we could just throw our shoes in the dryer when we get home, right?
Alright, here we go.
Why did they try it?
I swear they make dryers to clean clothes, dry them, but it's cool.
It's cold! It's cold! It's cold! Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
Everywhere you see.
Ooh! It's cold! Ooh! Oh,
I'm not supposed to sit down with my boxers, you know?
for real, dang, this is cold!
Every area where you see it, all right up here.
Alright, hold on. Oh! Ooh! 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 Oh! Let's go. Yeah, I got it. I'm about to get up there right now.
Oh shit. He's playing, it ain't that cold. But look how beautiful this is right here. This water.
Hold it down.
In case you didn't know that's my uncle.
That's where you sit when it's real hot out, dude. Relax. Yeah.
Yep. I'm trying to mess these shoes up.
Every time that water falls, it's about 3 foot deep right there. Sit down in it. Solid rock.
Beautiful.
I think I can make it up there.
You want me to go first? Video me.
Alright. Go, walk along the rock.
Right, so see this? This is what you'll see on the Big Pine Creek, but obviously much larger scale. Big rock canyon wall.
No, right there. Dude, what do you think I was talking about? Come on, man. I don't want you to jump in there. What's wrong with you?
Hey, you don't have to tell you to
Oh! Oh, shit! Oh, snap! Aren't you glad I held the camera?
I'm looking at my phone, don't try it.
That's funny.
You have to go down?
I don't know.
Alright, let's go back.
I think we can jump it.
Oh shit, hold on.
How are you gonna get back?
Wait, it's all tight.
For real?
Yeah. I'm not. Hey, I can't miss this up though. I gotta check it.
Hold the beat.
How am I gonna get back? Alright, hold my phone. I'm in my wallet.
Yeah.
Let me try this again.
If I fall, I'm throwing you the camera.
Come on. Oh, don't give it to me.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Every one of the cascades that you see all the way up
Yep, not putting the phone back in my case.
Every one of those.
Hey,
that
my
means-
back is
Hey,
dry.
what's that? What's that? Paper?
Oh, it's just,
Your back dry?
is my back dry?
No, not at all.
No, not at all.
Turn around.
I'm the guinea pig.
You're all stoked, dude.
Oh, well. Like you said, that's the dry as made for it.
It's like one of those soap commercials.
We can stop it. You want to try?
It's low. It's low right now.